everyone! I'm Claire and this is the channel to share super fun STEM activities. Have you ever scratched and won a prize card? Today, we are going to make a DIY scratch-off card with special ink. You can make a card for birthday, Christmas, or for any occasions or holidays you want. Let's get to it! The materials we need today are paper, acrylic paint, dishwashing liquid, clear packing tape, paintbrush, pen, scissors, coins, and a small container to hold your paint. Optional materials are markers and stickers to decorate your card. Draw the picture you want and decorate your card first. I'm going to draw 3 circles, but it does not have to be circles. You draw what you want. Write some messages. I'm going to make a card for birthday, so let me write here, Happy birthday to you. Let me put a sticker here. Take the clear tape and laminate them. Put the paint in the small container. Mix the paint with dishwashing liquid. Cover your messages with the mixture using a paintbrush. You may need to paint a couple of layers to cover your entire messages. You still can see the messages underneath, so let it dry for a moment and do another coat on top. We are done! Take a coin and check if it actually works. Let's scratch it off. Wow, it works! I made one more card. This is for you, my subscribers. Leave a comment with what you want to hear from others. For example, you're wonderful. You're great. Cheer up, my friend. I love you more than anything. I will pick up the message that gets the most votes and make a card with the message for you all. Hey friends, Buzz's birthday is coming. Let's do something special for him. How about writing a birthday card? Sounds great. Let's use science that Claire talked about yesterday. Do you mean the scratch-off card? Yes. That's a good idea. We need paper, scissors, pen, paintbrush, paint, dishwashing liquid, tape, small container. Decorate the card, write messages, cover the message with tape, make special ink with acrylic paint and dishwashing liquid, cover the messages with special ink. Dry it in shade. Oh, Buzz is coming. Hey Buzz, we have something for you. Oh, really? Ta-da! Wow, what is this? This is a scratch-off card. Yeah, we all made it together. Wow, thank you. Buzz, choose one and scratch it off with this coin. Okay. I will choose the third one. Okay, scratch it off. Oh, Spanish class? But you know, I can speak Spanish very well.
Bitácora espacial. Me he despertado del hipersueño en un planeta extraño. Estoy rodeado por criaturas extrañas y desconozco sus intenciones. ¿Quién anda ahí? ¿Amigo?
I know. Then, why don't you try one more time? Oh, can I? Let me choose the first one. Scratch it off. New wings? But you know, I have wonderful wings already. Buzz? Then scratch off the last one. That's good. Scratch it off. New laser? You know, my laser is perfect. Okay, then what do you want for your birthday? Okay, actually, all I want for my birthday is you, my friends. Oh, we love you, Buzz. I love you too. Happy birthday! This is for today. Try it at home and tell me how you go by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more contents like this. Thank you. Bye!